washing down. I just need to sit on my knees so I can reach.
Just sit on your knees so you can reach? Okay. But no peeking. Okay? No peeking in the box, okay?
Ready?
Okay. Go!
Go!
What is it?
Cabbages.
It's a what?
Come down.
What is it?
Cabbages. Cabbages.
Calculator. Is it cash register? Guess who got you that?
Who?
Papa and Grams.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Come.
Thank you.
They love you.
Love you.
Blow 'em kisses.
Mwah.
Are you so ready to play? What are you going to do?
It's a mess to you and me.
You going to get some money for you and me?
Hey, you pay for me.
I pay for you?
Yeah.
I always do.
Daddy pays the money and Mommy and Linley get to spend the money, huh? Yeah. What are we going to spend our money on? I know. What are we going to go buy with our money?
Simple.
We're going to go buy a swimming pool?
Some more stuff.
Oh, some more swim stuff for the swimming pool?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You like it?
Yeah. I need to open it.
Okay. Say thank you.
Thank you.